let's talk a little bit about puppy biting. I got 3 somewhat dirty puppies, and as you can see, they like to bite. A lot of people get really concerned about this, and they seem to believe it's some kind of behavioral problem. A lot of people want to play with their puppy, but then they don't want to deal with the consequences of playing with your puppy. Now, that doesn't mean you can't have ground rules. There's a lot of really bad information out there on the internet on how to deal with this problem. Probably the worst thing I've heard people suggest is to say ow when the puppy bites. You go ah every time the puppy bites, right? And the idea is that ow, the dog's supposed to realize he's like hurting you or be a little bit scared by the noise and stop. Needless to say, that doesn't work. Now, if you don't want the puppy to bite you, what you need to do is you need to come up with a mark that means stop. So for me, I say no or okay? So you can say it doesn't matter what you say. Just come up with a marker for the behavior that you don't like. So this little guy, he's real interested in biting this part of me. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna be firm about it. I'm just gonna say no. I'm gonna grab him by the scruff. I'm gonna scruff him, and then I'm just gonna put him right back there. And if he comes back, no. 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 Good. And when he chooses to stop bothering that funny little hole in my jacket that he's messing with, I'm just gonna praise him and I'm gonna pet him. All I did was I was scruffing him, grabbing him a little bit here by the back scruff of his neck, right? Maybe a little bit of the ear too. And I was just firmly, and I put him down. I never took the thing he was biting away. I actually left the thing he was biting right here. I was like, yeah, I put him right back here and I said, okay, it's okay, bite it again. And when he bit it again, I marked and I corrected him, and then I put him back and I let him repeat that behavior till he figured out, okay, that no means I'm going to be corrected. You can apply that to anything. And by the way, for those people that are worried about relationship, this puppy doesn't know me. I've seen him a few times, but I don't interact with him. I don't feed him every day. Now, when they get a little older and they can actually hurt me, then I kind of draw the line. But at this age, they're puppies. And if I'm going to get on the ground and play with them the way that puppies play, hey, big boy, come here. Yeah, then I have to accept that there's going to be some biting. So don't put your little kids on the ground with the puppy and then wonder why the puppies are chewing on your little kid. I hear people trying to talk about using pinch collars and all this stuff. It's like, look, you don't need tools. They're the size of a teddy bear. I just wanted you guys to understand a little bit about how we train puppies. So I hope this helps you and just shows you what the possibilities are. Oh my gosh.